All right, guys, we are back for part 2 of Seesaw. Okay, let me get logged back in. Had a little bit of computer problems, but we are good to go now. Okay, so I'm gonna log back in real quick. Where I left off, I had just pulled a PDF from my files, and hold on just a second. Let me make sure I get us signed in. Okay, I just pulled a PDF and showed you how you could write on that and other things like that. So let's go back in. We're back to where we left off. This was the last thing we did. I kind of showed you, okay? So let's keep going and kind of walk through a couple other ways. I don't think this video will be quite as long. Another thing you can do is you can do a link. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to show you one of my favorite links for like a YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to go in here. If you haven't seen the Believe in You series from Kevin Atlas, it's phenomenal. A great social emotional learning lessons, tons of them. So there's videos and lessons, but I just want to show you how we can link that YouTube video really quick. So this is, I just went to Open's website, but you could also go into YouTube and type in Kevin Atlas. He was supposed to be the keynote speaker at Shape America this year, but we all know what happened there. So I just copied link. Okay, so you could go into any YouTube video and do this. I'm going to go back into here. I'm going to go to link. Okay, now all I have to do is paste that video link into there. And remember, this is the submit sign. Okay, so now if I wanted to caption on this video, I could write, please watch this video, then write a 4 to 5 sentence paragraph summarizing what you watched. Okay, so you could put whatever you wanted there, whatever your kids would need. So then I'm just going to click submit. Okay, sometimes things run slow. Let me shut off. As we all know, internet is fun right now. Let me shut off a couple of my devices and make sure this is going to work for us. Okay, hopefully that helps us. Submit. Okay, I want it to go to all of my students. Submit. And there we go. Now it's in their journal. Okay, so that's a nice little feature right there. Add a YouTube link. Maybe it's a link of yourself. Okay, now I think we all know and love Captain Pete, right? Okay, so I know my students love Captain Pete and I love his resources. So I already saved his PDF to my computer. So I'm going to go in here. Let's see. Where did I put it? It's always fun. Oh, here we go. Okay, so in my downloads, I also used a PF splitter because his current free package on his website is like 22 pages, and I didn't want to post 22 pages at once. So I went to I Love PDFs, I think is the website. There's a whole bunch of PDF splitters out there that make you able to get however many pages of the PDF that you want saved as a single page. So for this one, I did one really quick earlier. Okay, so that is not it. I went to the wrong thing. Let's see. We're gonna trash that. I'm gonna delete and start over. Okay, so I'm going back to my computer. There we go, Captain Pete. I don't know why I clicked on the first one. Okay, so then I'm adding this PDF. Okay, so Obviously, this is for you guys. I would get one of the actual workouts or activities and just post that PDF, but I wanted you to be able to see what I was talking about. So there's a highlighter tool here. So maybe this is the one you want them to do. You can circle it. Remember, I said you could type over here. I also said you could record your voice over here, so you can do all those different things. And then you're going to post it. Okay, we'll just have this one go just to Austin. Okay, so now when I go to Austin's page or Austin's name over here, it shows me everything that I've posted to him. Okay, so something that's important for you to know, if you don't already know, when the kids answer back to this, so when they get to this, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. When they get to this, they have the same choices we have as far as posting their voice, if they make their own post. If they just comment on their post, which that's up to you, they have to type or they can record their voice. So let's go down here. Please do, let's see, where was this one? Okay, post a picture or a video that describes how you feel. So Austin could answer this in the comments of this post. I usually tell my kids to make a new post rather than me having to read through a whole bunch of comments on my post. I just find that easier. So they have, when they go to answer, they would have the same options, okay, that we have. Let me show you those options again. So they could decide if they want to draw their answer and record their voice, they want to make a video of themselves, they want to write a note, they want to upload, they want to take a picture. You know, they could use a screenshot and then upload it. So those are all different things they can do within the app to show you their work, okay? Yeah, I love Seesaw. It does some incredible things for sure. You can print the PDF, so if he's at home working and he wants to print that off, he could do that too. Okay. Also, what I love about Seesaw is the parent involvement that you can get. Back in the first video, I talked about how you can get those home learning codes and get those to their kids. Their parents can also sign on, and you can actually add families here now too. That didn't used to be part of it. But you could add the families in, and then they can only see their child's post. So it's no issue that they might be able to see someone else's work, because they can't. Now, the kids in your class can see each other's work. So you have to use your discretion on how you want to proceed with that. It is awesome in Seesaw that all of the posts, I have my settings set where I have to approve them before they actually post. So I can kind of screen out things that might be inappropriate. We all know kids love their emojis. I mean, I'm an adult and I do too, but they'll post like 25 on a comment of someone's work. So you'll want to work at that at your own discretion. Okay, guys, I think I'm about done with this. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I will be happy to help you. There's so many more, so much more parts of this that you can explore. I just wanted to make sure you had the basic knowledge of how to make posts and how to see them. The inbox is where you will get the messages when kids post something. It'll show that there's an inbox. You can also send an announcement, which is nice. They can't message back or on the announcements or on other students, so that's a helpful tool for sure. So the journal, remember, that confuses people sometimes. The journal is just like a Facebook feed, okay? And you can kind of explore the skills. You can add certain skills that they need to do, and then that'll tag within the post. It'll tag what skills they're working on. So that's another really awesome feature. This is very user-friendly. Again, I invite you to explore it. Mine's connected to my school. That's a nice little feature. A lot of times teachers will just add like a co-teacher. So you might just be added to a teacher's class already. I set up my own because I was a one-to-one school. With our at-home PE happening right now, you could just use your discretion on how you want to do that. All right, guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.